Rajasthan worried, yes. Because out of 4, if the Congress is winning 3,
Yes.
when we have the government, yes, we are worried. Gujarat, no. Because Gujarat, we won the Lok Sabha, 6 Vidhan Sabhas we won, no. One good news which you forgot to mention was Assam.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, we have won Silchar by a record margin of 37,000 votes. Congress got 37, we got 74,000 votes. And this is a seat which has been vacated by Sushmita, whose her father was legendary in that region. So there are good news, but certainly the reversal in UP has been demoralizing. But the outcome or the conclusion of the defeat is not what actually it is. In the morning also, 2 things I had pointed out. One, a multi-cornered contest versus a bipolar polity. It has its implications. SP, BSP voters together in 94 also had demolished us. So no big deal.
Okay.
Secondly, in the by-elections, the history says SP has always won by-elections. 18 elections they won when they had held only 5 of them. And when it came to the elections in 2007, they again got only 6 seats. So I do not read the larger message of the by-election in terms of what is there in future vis-a-vis.
I'll come to.
Is it not a fact that we won the Lok Sabha seat? Is it not a fact that out of 9 we have won 6? Thanks for the mercy of saying that it is ebbing and not already ebbed, that the bubble is bursting and not already busted. Madam.
No, yeah, okay. No,
small accomplishments do not demolish the effect or the acceptance of BJP in Gujarat. Let's put things in the perspective. On the Rajasthan front, what Nalini ji says has a lot of merit. We have certainly reasons to worry because we are the government of the day. Normally, the by-elections favor the government of the day.
Yes.
And there, losing 3 out of 4 is really very worrisome. So out of the whole gamut of these elections, what is most worrisome for me is Rajasthan. And I think it certainly needs introspection, it certainly needs investigation, it certainly needs in-depth analysis as to what has gone wrong, because as rightly pointed out, 162 out of 200 seats is what we won in the Vidhan Sabha. We won all the 25 Lok Sabha seats, and in these also there is a massive mandate. So this is worrisome, and I promise you, I think the party will be very, very serious about finding out the reasons and correcting the reasons why there has been a reversal in Rajasthan. No, I don't think, this has been the scenario. As I said, UP has more local issues involved. It's nothing to do with the RSS distancing itself from BJP. I don't think this is true. I just heard Rajdeep talking about Vasundhara Raje. Rajdeep, I just want to say, Vasundhara is very charismatic. In fact, one of the reasons why we had such a massive mandate for Rajasthan was her charisma. Certainly something has gone wrong, but it would be premature to conclude that it is because of Vasundhara
I'm not,
that this happened.
No, she has strength.
Information.
Mr. Mittal, she has strength, she has weaknesses.
Information is,
like any politician, she has strength, she has weaknesses.
Were not appropriately given. 2 of the seats which were distributed were not appropriately distributed, and they have costed us those 2 seats. The third loss, I still don't know the reasons, but the 2 seats I definitely know that from day one, the moment the candidatures were announced, it was stated that these are the 2 seats we are about to lose.
You know, in these early hours,
we have lost. No explanations, no excuses. We have lost.
Okay,
but we need to look at it. I do not think it is a non-reversible situation.